Hi, and welcome to Spring Term Art 261 Photo 1 online class. My name is Teresa Hughes and I'm your instructor. So I just want to go over a few things about Moodle and how you get started with this online class. So every time you open up Moodle, the first thing you should see is the front page, which is this page right here. So this is what it should look like. And then you'll want to scroll down and go to Start Here. And this is very important to read through this the first week of the term and understand what's required of you for this class. This is a fully online course. There is no book for this course. And then for an online course, you'll want to make sure you have about 9 hours of time to spend on the course each week. So it's a little bit different from an in-class, face-to-face course. So read through this, like I said, excuse me, and I'm just going to scroll down here, and another thing you'll want to look at this first week is the intro video, which is what you're looking at right now. Then there's a course orientation, so if I click on that, it should open to this, and the course orientation again tells you how to kind of start and what you should run through, especially again this first week. So it's saying to read every page of the course orientation book, and what that means is over here to the right, this is called the table of contents to that book. And so it talks about the course structure, some basic technology, and so forth. So it also says read every page of the syllabus, and goes on with some other information. And then what you want to make sure you do is you want to repeat steps 5 through 7 every week according to the course schedule. So basically for week 1, if I start at 5, it says read the overview for week 1, read and view the resources required for the first week of the course, complete the activities for the first week, and then repeat those steps every single week. So anyway, if you have any course-specific questions, you can ask those questions in the course Q&A forum. So if I want to just get back to where I started, I can go up here to welcome, this part up here. You can also jump through the chapters using this arrow right here, and it'll jump through those chapters over here. But again, if you want to get back through to the beginning, you can go over here and go jump to as well. You can go to the syllabus. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to go up here. It's an easy way to do this. I'm going to go back to the beginning page. So once you've looked at that, and again go through that whole course orientation, then you want to come down here to the second book. These icons are books. The second book is a syllabus. So if I click on that, it'll open up the syllabus and all the chapters over here that are in the syllabus book. So it gives you some basic information again, and this information over here is real important to look at. The core learning outcomes, real important to you especially is the course schedule. This will give you kind of a 11 weeks of the schedule of what we're doing. Of course, some of that may change, but right now this is how it stands. And know that weekly schedules start on Sunday and end on the following Saturday. So for example, week 1, March 31st through April 6th. You have something due on Wednesday the 3rd. It's an introduction forum, so read about that. It's a write-up, a short little write-up, and it's worth 5 points. You have to get it done by the deadline. That's before midnight on Wednesday the 3rd. And then there's also something due next Sunday called Camera Explore. So be sure and know what's due, what you have that's due, and remember to hit those deadlines. That's really important. I'm not going to go through a whole lot today because I want to make this short, but again, it talks about orientation and how to use Google Suite and Google Drive. Very, very important that you have a Gmail account. There's some news and announcements, and then as you keep going down, you'll see our first week, again, what's required of you. This gives an overview of what's required for the week. This is required resources. So this is articles and also videos that you need to look at. And this is supplemental. Supplemental is anything that it's an extra thing. So, and some people will want to go to this and others won't. It's photography terms and definitions. So if you're really new to photography, that's a real important place to go. And then activities, it shows you what's due, and again, the introductions forum, which is due Wednesday, and then the first assignment, which is your 01 Camera Explore activity, where you will be uploading photos. So real important to go back up here and read how to upload and share your photos in Google Photos. You'll also, if you're taking pictures with your smartphone and you're not quite sure how to upload those or how to take a picture, this is a really good place to look at too, right there. Anyway, I'm going to stop talking here. I just wanted to get this out there to you, and again, I want to welcome you to Photo 1. And if you have any questions, you can always email me through Moodle, and there's actually, you can message me right here. Where is it? Right there. You can message me right there and it'll come right to me, and I'll try to answer as soon as I can. So I think this will be a really fun class. I look forward to seeing what you can do and having fun with photography.